car sounds so good. About to take a ride, get our POV down Grasher with our new downpipes, CATLESS downpipes, and our intakes and charge pipes now. You know, you gotta get right. Whole time we was doing that, it was a muffler shop right across the street for the downpipes. There was a muffler shop right there. Hit y'all back, we can't get copyrighted.
Definitely got faster. Maybe the turbo thing that we did.
Jeez.
Maybe that turbo thing that really helped out. Yeah, somebody got that bass. Right? Whoa, that was like pop, pop, pop.
We got 480. I swear to God, we got 480.
Good.
We got more or something. Are you recording, Albert?
Yeah, I could probably replay that, but bro, whoa, the way that we moved, I had that pop, pop, pop.
Albert,
That first gear.
That
first gear really like
yeah, that
ripped
first
there.
gear just let a flame out or something. I ain't gonna lie.
Whoa. Yo, this guy got that bass, bro. What is that? Track card? Please. That torque is hitting though. That was a little pull too. We just pulled like the full 480 with one pull, like a little pull. Whoa, that was unexpected. They sound better too. The turbos, right? Damn, maybe that little washer did help us out. Whoa, we're pushing way more power too. Sideways. Bro, I felt that whole burn. Bro, do you hear it?
Bro, this whole different again now. We did something. If record, you gotta.
Oh my God, bro.
This does sound crazy. Bro, this whole different again now. We did something. If record, you gotta.
Oh my God, bro.
This does sound crazy. Oh my God, bro. This does sound crazy. Bro, this whole different again now. We did something. If record, you gotta.
Somebody's baby mama's toes are out the whip. Bro, the car's feeling crazy. Whoa. Like, it literally feels way different now.
Can't get copyrighted.
Copyrighted. Bro, the pops. The pops. I don't even think you tried that one.
It's bumps over here.
Yeah.
Bro, this car, bro, we make it better every day.
These flies.
Just for them so they can hear it.
I don't think it ever sound like that. Pop, pop. I don't think it ever sounded like that, bro. I swear, every time you shift, bop.
Yeah, like it spit fire when we shift.
Whoa.
I ain't gonna lie, I like that little shit. That little shit we just did, I like that. Whatever we did,
Bro. Bro, I love the Brembos, I swear. When I drove it, guys, in another video, oh my god, you can see me braking it brakes so good. Brakes so good. I love the brakes on this car. Sounds so good.
Ooh, Albert.
Here.
What the hell did we
Yeah,
do?
bro, I'm telling you, every time you shift
Have you
up.
been looking at the horsepower or no?
Not really,
Not
bro,
really.
because I'm trying to
You
like
can't even pay
I'm
attention.
trying to focus on like this, like trying to get a good camera angle. Like right here, it's terrible,
Let's
but
see
like
how
when I
much
put it
horsepower
right
we
here,
got.
it's like low key perfect.
I'm down there doing that. Do this one. Do this one. I just gotta see how much horsepower we're making, because this whole feels so much different. Like torque wise, everything. Go Tessie, go Tessie, go Tessie, go Tessie, go. And that's because we can't get traction.
Yeah, we were
We
spinning
literally can't get
everywhere.
traction.
Yeah, we
I
were
don't even
spinning.
know how, because our tire's good too.
Too much power.
Bro, we got that much power. If the car burning out, I was going like, bro, what the hell? I'm sorry, but what are you doing,
Bro, I can never let somebody press me like that, even if I'm in a Ford Focus. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm stepping on the gas or something.
Hear them turbos, they don't know what to do. You know, I got like 20 miles on it.
I'm sorry, guys. Mad torque.
Man, ain't no fast dudes and they can't go slide for us. Huh?
Grandpa looking at that with teeth out and everything. He let them hoes breathe.
Gunshot to him.
If we can't catch traction is the thing. Like, we need those Michelins on that hoe.
Yeah, we did.
Damn, bro. We need the... Guys, track coming soon. Track vid coming soon.
Yeah, track video coming soon for sure. Last pull though before we get to 8, y'all. Last pull for the youth, for the vlog, for the vlog. Got traction there.
490 in both. We got 490 in both. Around 480, 490.
480, 490.
Yeah.
Ooh. I love it.
That gun. Bah. Upper driving video, part 3. Happening in a few seconds right here.
I got to a lot of likes.
Lot of likes.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe for me driving part 2. Yeah, part 2. Part 2.
Part 2 of Albert driving. Like and subscribe.
Honest review. Damn, I thought it was dumb out.
Me too.
I know you're gonna start. They got always good tires.
You know I got it. They look like they want to know what this is about. Let me go park.
They call police here real quick. Alright. Like and subscribe, guys, for the next video.